Hi, I want to give you a quick introduction to the Roveel homepage. When you first log into Roveel, you'll be greeted with this. We first log in the morning. It gives you a brief summary of what is going on inside your business. So here we can see the total current cash position, total debtors, so the amount of money that's owed to you, and your liabilities, the creditors, and the amount of cash that you owe out of the business. It also gives you a summary of the weekly sales orders and automatically compares those with the sales orders from the previous week. So you can easily benchmark where you are against each day of the week. We then provide a summary by individual customer. So this is looking at the financial year to date. It's locked to that financial year to date and shows you exactly the status of where you are. So how much open sales orders you've got and the invoices, and again, compares that against the previous year, automatically pulling out the variances. So you can immediately see which customers are performing and which customers aren't. Moving further down, we can then see the sales orders over the whole business. And again, looking at how we're performing there, you can toggle on and off any of these on any of the graphs, and you can export those out. You can full screen, export them out, show them as a table and export them out as an image. Moving further down, we then get to see the very high level figures, your sales, your gross profit and your EBITDA, and the comparisons again against the same point previous year. Incredibly valuable visual impact. You can immediately see where you are as a business and look at those trends. We then look at those debtors in a bit more detail. We pull out the top 10. So these are people, customers who owe you money. Rather than just focus on the total amount that's owed, we actually look at the overdue amount. We pull out when they last paid you, when their last invoice was, and crucially, the analysis is on the overdue days, because you really you need to focus on where those customers are not paying you and how overdue they are. Likewise, on the creditors, we pull out the top 10 creditors. And again, age those based on overdue days. So we're looking at the terms of business and extrapolating those out. And lastly, we pull out various ratios and calculate those. So debtor days, creditor days, return on capital employed, and provide a quick analysis, a quick visual of the balance sheet and the current status of liquidity within the business. And lastly, we have a design your own homepage service. So you can completely bespoke this and get any report you want from your business.